Write and then solve an equation to find the missing value below. This is a rectangle, so the area is the length times the width. We are going to substitute. Remember, we talked about how a substitute comes and takes the place of somebody else. So we are going to substitute these values in for the letters that they are replacing. A gets replaced with 1.82. L is going to get replaced with 1.4. And W doesn't have anything to be replaced with yet, so we are going to leave the W there. When we were solving for a variable, we had to undo whatever was happening to it. So right now, 1.4 and W are being multiplied together. The way that we can undo multiplication is with division. So we are going to divide by 1.4. These divide out, and 1.82 divided by 1.4 can be done using long division. I like to get rid of the decimals, so we have to move them the same number of places. Then it becomes 18.2 divided by 14. You can think of this as just creating an equivalent fraction by multiplying the top and bottom by 10, because that turns into 18.2 and 14 as well. So that's the reason we get to do that little trick. Okay, so 14 can go into 18 one time, and it leaves us with 42. Don't forget, when we're dividing, our decimal places have to line up, just like when we're adding. We keep those place values stacked. So 14 can fit into 42 3 times. And that leaves us with no remainders. So the width is, well, it's already written right here, is 1.3, and this is measured in meters.